Hello and welcome to Martin Maths. We're doing 3D shapes and the nets of those. And here's an example of a net, and we're going to fold it up and create the shape. And what shape is that? It's a cube. Yeah, cuboid would be that where they're not squares. So a question for the viewers is how many different nets are there of a cube? So please comment below. And here's one creation. You can see that the students have designed it. And what shape is this, you said? The cube. And how many faces does it have? 6, correct. Okay. How many vertices does it have? How many corners does it have to that shape? 1, 2, 3, 4. It's got 8 corners. There is 12 something, but what is that that's 12? It's the 12 edges. Well done. So a cube has 6 faces, 8 corners or vertices, and 12 edges. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 up and 4 at the bottom. Okay, my next guest presenter was working on this. What shape would this create?
A square-based pyramid.
You can see the square, and that finished one we made earlier was this. So how many faces are there for this square-based pyramid?
5.
You can see them there. And how many vertices are there?
1. No.
How many corners?
5.
5 as well. And how many edges?
8.
Correct, because there are 4 at the bottom on the square, and then 1, 2, 3, 4 that meet there. And there we can see. Okay, my next guest presenter was working on this is the original net. And what would that turn into?
A triangular prism.
Can you show us one we made earlier? So there we go, there's a triangular prism. So of course a prism is a shape that's then extended, whereas a pyramid meets at a point. How many faces are there to a triangular prism? 5, fantastic. And how many vertices? 6 or 6 corners. And how many edges? How many lines? So there's 3 on that triangle, 3 on that triangle, and then there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Fantastic, there we are. So that's 3 very nicely decorated 3D shapes with their nets. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share, and goodbye from all.
Bye.